Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your airdrop suddenly sound too quiet, whether it's music, call or videos, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix low volume issues on any model of AirPods. Let's dive right into it. Solution 1. Turn up all volumes properly. Press the volume up button while sound is playing. Go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Sound and Haptics. Here slider ringers and alerts to maximize. Some apps have their own volume controls. If you are using browser or AirPod apps, look for any audio slider. Solution 2. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. Sometimes your iPhone is connected to wireless earbuds or Bluetooth speakers without you knowing. Go to Settings app, tap on Bluetooth, and either disconnect manually or just turn off Bluetooth. Solution 3. Turn off headphone safety limits. iPhones sometimes limit volume to protect your hearing. Go to Settings app, scroll down and tap on Sound and Haptics. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Headphone Safety. Here turn off Reduce Loud Sounds. If needed, raise the volume limit to 100 dB. And that's it. Your iPhone's volume should now be back to normal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.